In the dynamic world of business, informed decisions are crucial for success. But how can managers navigate uncertainty and make the best possible choices? The answer lies in data driven insights, and this is where Z score analysis emerges as a powerful tool. Z score analysis empowers managers to predict potential risks and opportunities based on objective data. By transforming raw data into standardized scores, this statistical technique allows for meaningful comparisons and insightful interpretations. It's like having a secret weapon that unveils hidden patterns and trends, guiding you towards more informed decisions. Just as a captain relies on a compass for navigation, managers can leverage Z scores to chart a course through the complexities of the business world. By analyzing historical data, managers can identify warning signs and opportunities before they become apparent to the naked eye. Understanding Z scores is not just about crunching numbers, it's about gaining a strategic edge in the game of business. By embracing Z score analysis, managers equip themselves with a powerful tool that can mean the difference between success and failure in today's data driven world. The concept of Z scores might sound intimidating at first, but it's actually quite straightforward. In essence, a Z score measures how far a data point is from the average of a data set, expressed in terms of standard deviations. Think of it like this. Imagine you're measuring the height of trees in a forest. The average height is 10 meters, and the standard deviation is 2 meters. Now, let's say you come across a tree that's 14 meters tall. To calculate its Z score, you would subtract the average height, 10 meters, from the tree's height, 14 meters, giving you a difference of 4 meters. You would then divide this difference by the standard deviation, 2 meters, resulting in a Z score of 2. This tells you that the tree is 2 standard deviations taller than the average tree in the forest. In a business context, Z scores can be used to analyze a wide range of data, from sales figures to customer satisfaction scores. The applications of Z score analysis in management are vast and varied, touching upon nearly every aspect of business operations. Imagine a retail company with multiple store locations across a country. By calculating the Z scores for each store's monthly sales figures, management can quickly identify which stores are overperforming and which are lagging behind. This information allows for targeted interventions, such as allocating more resources to underperforming stores or replicating the success strategies of top performers. In another scenario, consider a manufacturing company that wants to monitor the quality of its products. By tracking defect rates and calculating Z scores, the company can identify production batches that deviate significantly from the norm. This allows for timely corrective actions, preventing defective products from reaching customers and potentially damaging the company's reputation. Real-world examples further highlight the impact of Z-score analysis in uncovering crucial insights for businesses. Consider the case of a beverage company facing declining sales. Traditional analysis of sales data failed to pinpoint the root cause. However, by applying Z-score analysis to sales data segmented by product region and distribution channel, a startling trend emerged. The Z-scores revealed that sales for a particular product were plummeting in a specific geographic region while performing well elsewhere. Armed with this insight, the company could formulate a targeted response, such as adjusting its pricing strategy or launching a marketing campaign specific to that region. In another instance, a financial institution successfully used Z-score analysis to detect fraudulent transactions. Mastering Z-score analysis is an invaluable asset for any manager seeking to make data-driven decisions. While the concept itself is relatively simple, its effective application requires a blend of statistical knowledge and business acumen. Start by familiarizing yourself with the fundamentals of Z-scores and standard deviations. Numerous online resources, courses, and textbooks can provide a solid foundation in these concepts. Next, explore how Z-score analysis is being used in your industry or field. Case studies, industry publications, and professional networks can offer valuable insights into practical applications. Experiment with applying Z-score analysis to real-world data within your own organization. Your journey towards becoming a more effective and insightful manager starts with understanding and applying this powerful statistical tool.